What's up, everybody? Well, today we're fixing to go to the OTM show. You can hear my truck finally put a new dry shaft to put a carbon fiber one on it. It's really nice. It's light. He said it's reliable for more horsepower and can last longer, but I don't think I'm gonna be going that fast because just not really trying to break it right now. Barely done it, but we're fixing to go down there. RM Tuning's fixing to retune the truck because it has a little, I'd say a misfire. It throws an engine light every once in a while. I erase it, but not too much. But yeah. Oh, and we got a 2022 King Ranch. Let me go show y'all. God damn, look at that thing. Killing the game. Look at that. Whoa, whoa, can't see the license plate. But dang, look at that. 4x450 right there. Nah, I'm just kidding, but alright, let's get to it. Alright, what's up, everybody? We are here in Dallas, Texas. We've been looking for some E85 for the truck. It's doing pretty good on mile per gallon. We got all the merch in the back and just our luggage and stuff like that. Fixing to stop at Louis. We still got another 4-hour drive. Hopefully we make it in time to drop off the manifold. Dang, this thing's taking forever. Damn, my boy Louis finna get down on that hoe.
Yeah, we're gonna port it with the throttle body. We're gonna port it, match everything, and yeah, we're gonna hook up my boy and let's get everything.
Hell yeah, right. Make sure y'all go. If y'all need any porting needs, make sure y'all hit him up, bro.
Appreciate it, bro.
He'll get you done. He got his prices. What's your Instagram?
My Instagram is Louis Lethal Porting. Let me show them real quick.
Yeah.
I see. So
you wanna shout anybody out? You wanna shout anybody out?
I wanna shout out my homeboy Tayez Detailing.
Yeah.
Tayez Detailing, Lalo48. Shout out to y'all. And
oh, they're finna have to hook me up with the detail before OTM.
Yeah, shout out to my boy Lando, and yeah, thanks for the shirts, bro.
Hell
I appreciate it.
Thank you for the shirts, bro.
No problem, bro. Alrighty then.
Yeah, subscribe.
Hell yeah, subscribe. What's up, everybody? It's currently 9 in the morning. Just dropped off the truck here at RM Tuning. They're fixing to get it all worked together, put the manifold and throttle body on it, get it tuned up for it, and yeah, we're finna see how much faster it gets. Hopefully it gets at least a little quicker. Hopefully nothing else is wrong with the truck after it got canned. It did throw a little misfire code on it, so they're fixing to see what that was about. But yeah, that's really it. Get you a little walk around of their shop. And make sure if y'all got any, if y'all want any mods for your LT or LS motors, y'all come with them. God damn, bro. This is only one of the lines too. It goes all the way back there. And it's dirty. No.
I'm getting fucked up, man.
Which one you getting? Which one you getting? What? Yo, mama. What? What? Alright, just wait. He said he's gonna take a fat ass shot.
Just wait, by the end of the day, I'm gonna be
He's gonna take a fat ass shot. And Nico says when he gets his truck back, he's gonna do a fat ass burnout for the video. If it's less than 5 seconds, I don't wanna see it. Oh shit! Oh shit!
Shout out to DaDropShop, let it get my boy.
Oh, we gonna swing it or what? Let's swing it.
ready to go?
Rip tires. Man, what the heck, bro?
We alright. We on the tire shop, bro. We alright.
Wilson, what the fuck?
What's up, everybody? It's the day after OTM. We're fixing to head back. I think we're finna go eat. Yeah, we did some pretty big burnouts. Y'all gonna see in the video. I'm gonna show y'all how my tires look, cause they were brand new. You probably won't be able to hear me with the truck, but let me show y'all. Let me show you. Those have about, they're like brand new still. The little line, y'all see it? Tell me how much thread it has. Still pretty good. Now these, where's the line? Look, they were all brand new. Look at that, So, yeah. I'm gonna have to get some new tires for those ASAP when I get back. Probably sell those maybe, or just keep burning them until they blow something. But yeah, my cousin did one and my uncle did one. They're both gonna be on the video, and it was pretty lit. If y'all missed the last OTM, then y'all missed out for sure. I heard the line was stupid long and people couldn't get in, but I mean, it was just packed. It was packed inside. We barely got in. We got there at 9 and got in at like 12. It was just ridiculous. The lines are super long. But yeah, we're fixing to head back. Just stay tuned. I'll tell y'all what show we're going to next in the next video. But see y'all later.